When you're working with others on an Excel worksheet and when you want to make a comment or note about something, you can use the comment feature. You can also use comments to remind yourself about something in a worksheet, such as why you entered a certain value into a cell. Comments are attached to cells, so to create a comment, you'll click in the cell that you want to attach the comment to, and then from the Review tab on the ribbon, click New Comment. And a comment appears in the cell with your name already in place, and you can go ahead and type the comment text. When you're done, you can just click outside the cell to turn off the display of the comment, but what's left behind is a little red triangle indicator, and that tells you that there is a comment in the cell. At any time, you can just hover your mouse over that indicator to see the comment. You can also edit comments. If you have that particular cell selected, you can click Edit Comment. And one of the things that you can do with comments is to move them out of the way, because you may want to be able to see the rest of the worksheet as well as the comment, and you may also want to print comments. You can also use these handles to size the comments so you can make them bigger or smaller as desired. You can also work through all the comments in the workbook. Now this is a workbook scope tool, so it'll go through all the comments throughout the entire workbook. So I'll click Next. You can see here that we're taken to a comment on the March sheet. We've reached the end of the comments in the workbook, so we can continue to review from the beginning. I'll click OK, and now we're back in the January's worksheet with the comments that are attached to that. I'll click out of the way to finish this. If we want to see all the comments in a sheet, we can do so by clicking Show All Comments, and then we can see all the comments in the sheet. These can also, at this point, be moved if they need to be moved to a different position. And we can hide them by clicking Show All Comments to hide them. If we want to delete a comment, we can do so. I'll just click in the cell that contains the comment and click Delete. This can also be done from the Home tab of the ribbon. I'll click in this cell, I'll go to the Home tab of the ribbon and select the Clear option. You can see here that there's an option to clear a comment from any of the selected cells. So I can do that too. We can also print visible comments too. To begin, I'll need to go back to the Review tab and actually show the comments. And now I can set them up for printing by clicking the Page Layout tab and then the Page Setup options here. In the Sheet area, we can select whether comments are printed or not. At the moment, they're not being printed, but we can click As Displayed on Sheet, and then I'll go to the Print Preview, and you can see that this is the way the comments would print. We can also print them at the end of the sheet, and you may find that that's a better option. I'll select At End of Sheet, again from the Page Setup dialog, and click Print Preview. And now we have a second page that will print, and there's a list of the cell that has the comment, who made the comment, and what the comment is. Comments are useful for documenting an Excel worksheet and for making a note about something in a cell, but without needing to make the data visible on the worksheet itself.